Let's create a chart with animated lines. We'll start by creating a new workspace for this and call this animated line chart. Okay, the first thing we'll do is create 3 lines that are animated, so we'll create those as blocks with our helper, and we'll flow red to green. And we'll have 5 dashes. We'll make them, in this case, length of 1 instead of a half. And we'll make these ellipsoids. We'll make the color here. And actually we'll go with 2. We'll make it 1 by 1 by 10. Okay, so this is our yellow line. Now we'll make one that's for flow blue to red, which we'll make into a cylinder. We'll change the color here to be purple. Whoop. Except we want the tessellation to be 4, so it looks just a little bit different. So there's an example of a tessellation on it. Okay, and the third line is flow green to blue. This one we're going to do a cone without tessellation. And we'll do a teal 1 by 1 by 10. So there's our cones. Okay, now that we have our lines added, we'll go ahead and add our 3 shapes. The first one we'll call flow box, which we'll leave as a box as 2 by 2 by 2. Okay, we'll make the color here red. And make it a little brighter. Make it E-color red. Whoop, that's too much. Okay, we'll add another shape and we'll call it flow circle. Whoop. Okay, we want a sphere. So we'll type up. We're going to make the color this time. Whoop, red, green, blue, so the middle is green. Two by 2 by 2. Okay, and the third shape is going to be a flow triangle. We can do that with a cylinder. We'll make the color blue in this case. Whoop, we'll just go color. There we go, that gets us a triangle. Okay, to wrap this up, we want to add a block. We'll just call it our wrapper. First thing we'll do is we'll link in our 3 shapes and position them around. So we'll go with the flow triangle. And we'll put him at -4, 3. I pre-calc these with a calculator, so shape. And the next one will be the flow circle. And we'll add a frame and put him at 3. Okay, and then we'll link in our third shape, which is the flow box. At -5, 4.3. Whoop. Okay, that looks right now. The triangle is in the wrong spot. So we have these in the form of a triangle. So now we'll add our flow red to green line. And we'll make his position 4.3. And we need to rotate him a little bit. 90 degree on the x-axis, it looks like. It looks like the green ball is off a little bit. This is supposed to be 0.3, not 3, it looks like. There we go. Okay, let's add blue to red. We'll add a frame for him. And the position we had for him was -2.5. We'll need to rotate him a couple times, -60 degrees. And -90 degrees. Okay, and then we'll add in the last piece of our puzzle. We're going to call it that. Green to blue, and we'll add a frame. And the position we had was 2.5. Rotation 60 degrees. -90 degrees. Okay, and we'll add a frame on the outside. And what we'll do is we'll put 20 seconds in here. And when we hit play, they'll all play, which is pretty slow. With the percentage thing shown on the frames before, we can change the speed of the entire animated diagram, if you want to call it that, by using percentages. It's not required. So that's one way to create an animated diagram. That's what we have. Thank you.